organization. Organization is the creation of a meaningful structure for ordering parts into a cohesive whole. When students learn strategies for organizing their belongings and their time, they learn to develop their own meaningful approach to help them plan and complete work efficiently. Effective organization of materials and time is critical for success in school and beyond. However, when students try to organize themselves without explicit guidance, the result is often overflowing backpacks and dusty, unused planners. In the digital age, students and adults may suffer from digital disorganization, and computer desktops become cluttered with file after file, creating a chaotic mess. By teaching students concrete organizational strategies and ensuring that they understand the value of these strategies, students will learn to control their time, organize their environment, and work more efficiently. When teaching students strategies to stay organized, keep in mind 3 key principles. Be consistent. Whether students are organizing files or prioritizing the steps they will take to study for a test, a systematic approach to organizing will only work if students apply them consistently, and not just at the beginning of the school year. Reserve time for organization. Make sure students have time specifically set aside to apply organizing and time management strategies to their work. Perhaps a few minutes at the end of each class period to put away papers and enter important due dates and reminders in their planners, or even 20 minutes a month to clean out their binders. Allow students to customize. It's also important to let students know that they can adjust their approach as necessary. It may be tempting to pick 1 or 2 organizational strategies for all your students to use. However, try to allow students to explore the different organizational options and settle on the strategies that work best for them. Some students prefer paper and pen planners, while some prefer electronic calendars. Some students prefer one giant binder for all their classes, while some students like separate binders for each class. Helping students discover which methods work best for them will allow them to make these organizational strategies their own, and will encourage them to apply these methods to other areas of their lives. Developing a strategic and self-aware approach to organization can be challenging for students. We are asking them to change habits that have formed over years, and the benefits of organization are often not clear to students. Here are some tips that can help you encourage your students to become more organized. When organizational strategies are working, they may often seem invisible and effortless. Students are not likely to notice the systems that allow you to keep your gradebook organized or to plan your lessons for the week. Show them how you create and maintain the organizational systems that you use in class. It's important to teach organizational strategies explicitly, but that doesn't mean they have to be boring. The backpack relay race, found in Lesson 1 of this unit, is a great example of a fun way to show students how organizing their belongings will save them time in the long run. Finally, make organization count by evaluating your students on how well they've maintained their organization strategies. Giving students credit for binder checks, study plans, and other ideas will send the message that staying organized matters. Quick tip. It's important to acknowledge that different students have different priorities. Activities that seem unimportant to us may be critical to your students. When planning their time, teach students how to identify and schedule the things they have to do, have-tos, versus the things they want to do, want-tos. Keep these concepts in mind as you teach the SMARTS organizing lesson plans. Feel free to refer back to this video, and if you have any further questions, comments, or concerns, contact us at info@researchild.org.